Tonight, you are going to sleep on a mattress. Same mattress you slept on last night. And the night before that. Maybe for the past 2-3 years. Now here is the part nobody puts in the mattress advertisement. A mattress used for 2 years or more can contain up to 10 million dust mites. Not 10, not 1,000, 10 million. Living creatures, feeding, breeding, and leaving waste. Inside the surface you press your face against for 8 hours every single night. Each one of those 10 million mites produces 20 waste particles per day. That is 200 million particles of mite waste in your bed every single day. In Japan, this problem does not exist the same way. Not because Japanese homes are cleaner, not because they buy better mattresses, because of a single daily habit that costs nothing, takes 2 minutes to set up, and works while you sleep. Before we get to that method, we need to talk about what the rest of the world has been doing instead, and why it has been making the problem worse, not better. Most people do one of 3 things when they think about dust mites. They wash their sheets, they buy a mattress cover, or they spray a chemical solution onto the surface and hope for the best. All 3 feel logical. All 3 miss the actual problem entirely. Let us start with washing your sheets. It feels like the right move. Clean sheets, clean bed. But here is what the bedding industry does not advertise. Dust mites do not live on your sheets. They live 2 to 3 inches deep inside the mattress itself, buried in the foam and fiber layers where warmth and moisture collect. Your washing machine never touches them. You are cleaning the curtain and ignoring the room behind it. Now let us talk about mattress covers. Walk into any homeware store and you will find allergen-proof mattress covers priced between $80 and $150. The packaging says dust mite protection. The marketing says sleep easier. But read the fine print on any medical review and you will find a detail the packaging never mentions. The mites already living inside your mattress are still there. You have not removed them. You have not killed them. You have sealed them in. You are now sleeping on top of 10 million trapped mites, their waste, their shed bodies, and 2 years of accumulated allergens, with a fabric layer between you and all of it. That fabric, by the way, develops microscopic tears within 2 to 3 years, at which point the barrier stops working entirely anyway. And then there are the chemical sprays. The active ingredient in most commercial dust mite sprays is a class of synthetic insecticide called pyrethroids. The label tells you they are safe when dry. What the label does not tell you is that you will be pressing your face into that treated surface for 8 hours a night, breathing in whatever residue remains. These are the same synthetic compounds used in agricultural pest control. The reason all of these solutions exist is simple. The bedding and cleaning industries figured out that if they could keep you focused on surface-level solutions, you would keep buying surface-level products every year for the rest of your life. Japan took a completely different path, and the science behind it is so straightforward it is almost embarrassing. In Japan, there is a word for the daily practice of airing out your sleeping space. It is called Futon-Boshi. Futon-Boshi translates literally to futon drying. But what it actually means, what it represents in Japanese household culture, goes much deeper than hanging fabric in the sun. Walk through any Japanese residential neighborhood on a clear morning, and you will see it happening in real time. Futons hanging from balcony rails, stretched across window ledges, draped over courtyard walls. Every building, every floor, every household doing the same thing at the same time. It is not a cleaning chore. It is a daily ritual as natural as brewing tea. The reason this tradition exists is not cultural habit for its own sake. It is grounded in a precise understanding of what dust mites actually need to survive. Dust mites require 2 things above everything else: warmth and moisture. Remove the moisture, drop the humidity below 50%, and the mite population collapses. They do not get killed outright. They get starved of the conditions they need to breed and survive. No moisture, no food cycle, no colony. Sunlight and fresh moving air pull moisture out of fabric within 90 minutes. The Japanese understood this centuries before the word allergen existed as a medical term. This same philosophy shows up in the way traditional Japanese homes are designed. Sleeping surfaces called futons were stored every morning in deep closets called oshiire. The sleeping surface never sat closed in a warm bedroom all day collecting humidity. It breathed. It aired. The conditions that allow mite populations to explode were eliminated at the source before they could form. And then there is the broader Japanese cleaning philosophy called tsuji. In Japanese elementary schools, there are no janitors. The children clean the classrooms themselves every day after lunch. Not as punishment, as practice. By the time a Japanese person reaches adulthood, daily maintenance of their living environment is a reflex, not a weekend project. Apply that principle to a mattress, and the result is predictable. Small, consistent daily action prevents a large, invisible problem from forming in the first place. Now, you do not need a Japanese apartment. You do not need a balcony or a specific climate. Because the same principle, remove the moisture, eliminate the conditions, works indoors, overnight, using 3 things almost certainly sitting in your kitchen right now. Here is exactly how. This is your deep reset. The method that handles a mattress that has not been properly cleaned in months, possibly ever. You need 2 ingredients: 1 cup of baking soda and 15 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Take a clean glass jar with a lid. Pour in the baking soda. Add 15 drops of eucalyptus oil directly onto the powder. Close the lid and shake for 30 seconds until the oil is evenly distributed through the powder. You will notice the smell immediately: sharp, clean, medicinal. That smell is not decoration. Here is the science behind why this combination works. Eucalyptus oil contains a compound called cineol, also known as eucalyptol. A study published in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology found that eucalyptus oil eliminated more than 80% of dust mites on contact. A separate study from the College of Veterinary Medicine in South Korea found 90% repellent effectiveness. The cineol penetrates the waxy outer membrane of the dust mite and disrupts its cellular structure. It does not just repel them, it kills them. Baking soda works differently, but just as powerfully. Its alkaline properties absorb moisture from fabric fibers, the exact moisture that dust mites need to survive. It also neutralizes the acidic waste compounds the mites leave behind. The odor you associate with an old mattress, that stale, slightly sour smell, that is mite waste. Baking soda eliminates it at the chemical level. Together, the eucalyptus kills the mites. The baking soda removes the conditions that allow new ones to survive. They attack the problem from 2 directions simultaneously. Now here is how to apply it. Strip your mattress completely. Remove the sheets, the mattress cover, everything. Take a fine kitchen strainer, not a spoon, a strainer, and slowly sift the baking soda mixture across the entire surface of the mattress. Work in sections. Take your time. You want an even, thin layer covering every part of the surface, not a pile in the center. Do not rub it in. Do not press it down. Just let it sit on the surface. Close your bedroom door. Walk away. Leave the baking soda mixture on the mattress for a minimum of 8 hours. Overnight is ideal. While you sleep in another room, or while you are at work, or while you simply go about your day. The baking soda is pulling moisture out of the mattress surface, and the eucalyptus oil is working through the fabric fibers. When you come back, take your vacuum cleaner with the upholstery attachment and go over the entire mattress slowly. Overlapping strokes. Take your time. You are not just vacuuming powder. You are removing dead mites, their waste particles, and the allergen compounds that have been accumulating inside that mattress. The air in your bedroom after this process will feel noticeably different. The mattress will smell clean in a way that has nothing to do with synthetic fragrance. Replace your sheets and sleep. The second method is the Futon-Boshi adapted for Western homes. On any day with direct sunlight coming through your windows, do this. Strip the mattress completely. Push it upright against the wall or window frame in direct line with the sun. Open the window if weather allows. Let sunlight fall across the mattress surface for 2 hours. Dust mites cannot survive in humidity below 50%. Direct sunlight through a window drops the surface humidity of a mattress significantly within 90 minutes. No product required. No chemical. Just the same physics the Japanese have used for centuries. After 2 hours, take a clean dry cloth and firmly tap the surface of the mattress to dislodge loosened particles. Then vacuum before remaking the bed. This method is not the deep reset. It is the maintenance between deep resets. Do this once a month on a sunny day, and the overnight treatment becomes necessary far less often. The third method is the hot wash protocol. Dust mites die at 60 degrees Celsius. This is not an estimate. It is a precise threshold confirmed in multiple independent studies. Your washing machine's hot cycle reaches 60 degrees. Every week, wash your sheets, pillowcases, and duvet covers at 60 degrees. Not warm, not 30, 60. This eliminates the surface mite population that would otherwise migrate from bedding back into the mattress. After washing, dry on high heat in a tumble dryer or hang in direct sunlight. Both methods reliably reach the 60-degree threshold. A low-heat tumble dry does not. Might survive it. This hot wash protocol is your weekly maintenance shield. It stops reinfestation of the mattress from the bedding above it. The baking soda treatment resets the mattress from the inside. The sunlight method removes moisture monthly. 3 layers. Working together. Now let us address the solution that sounds most obvious. Buying a new mattress. It sounds logical. Old mattress is contaminated. New mattress is clean. Problem solved. Except it is not. A new mattress accumulates the same mite population within 2 years. The problem has never been the mattress. The problem is the warm, humid environment you create inside it every single night. A brand new mattress placed in the same bedroom, used by the same person, without changing the morning routine, becomes the old mattress again within 24 months. The average mattress doubles in weight over 10 years due to accumulated dust mite material, dead bodies, shed exoskeletons, waste particles, and absorbed sweat. That weight has to come from somewhere. The Japanese do not replace their futons every few years. They maintain the ones they have. The difference between a 10-year-old futon in Japan and a 3-year-old mattress anywhere else is entirely the daily habit. Here is the complete routine. Once a month, the overnight baking soda and eucalyptus treatment. 8 hours. Strip the mattress, sift the mixture, vacuum in the morning. Once a week, the hot wash protocol. All bedding at 60 degrees. Dry on high heat or in sunlight. Whenever the sun is cooperating, the Futon-Boshi method. Mattress upright near the window for 2 hours. Now here is what this costs. 1 cup of baking soda per monthly treatment. A 1 kilogram bag of baking soda costs under $1 and covers several months of treatments. A small bottle of eucalyptus essential oil costs between $4 and $6 and lasts 6 months or more. Total annual cost of this routine, under $10. Compare that to an $80 allergen mattress cover that needs replacing every 2 to 3 years and does not address the mites already living inside. For the 20 million people worldwide with dust mite allergies, this is not a cleaning preference. It is the difference between waking up congested and waking up breathing clearly. The deeper lesson from Japan is not about baking soda or eucalyptus oil. It is about where the problem actually lives. The dust mite problem lives in conditions, in warmth and moisture that go unchallenged day after day, inside a surface nobody thinks about, because nobody can see inside it. The Japanese tradition of Futon-Boshi was never about cleaning what was visible. It was about controlling what was invisible before it had the chance to become a problem you could no longer ignore. Your mattress does not need to be replaced. It does not need a sealed cover. It needs 8 hours of baking soda, 2 minutes of morning sun, and sheets washed at 60 degrees. That is it. That is the entire Japanese method. If this changed the way you think about what you sleep on every night, subscribe. Next week, we are covering the Japanese method for removing black mold from washing machine drum seals. The problem hiding in 9 out of 10 homes that almost nobody knows is there. That video is on screen right now.